Good morning. Welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. Again, for the rest of this week, we are focusing on the emotional healing of our bodies. So we are three bodies: physical, mental, spiritual. The mental holds the emotional. As soon as something occurs in any one of the three bodies, the others are affected almost simultaneously. So when you stub your toe, your emotional and your spiritual get affected also. So we are clearing up any emotions we can find that need to be cleared up and moved out and let go so that we can grow fully physically and spiritually as well. So, excuse me, let's get started. I'm sorry, I was so busy answering messages today that I almost didn't make it on time. So, we're going to start with the Lord's Prayer, the prayer of protection. If you know it, please say it with me. If not, just say them after me. Protection is key and very important. Next, we will go into a simple meditation guided. And today, it's probably going to be more quiet than it was yesterday. When we're done, you'll hear the chime. We'll start to come out and close with the 23rd Psalm. All right, there's the instructions and what's going on. Let's take a deep breath, close our eyes, and start to relax. Take another deep breath and relax even more. Invite your body to let go and to release. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Now we are going to focus on the energy that comes from the divine. And today we're going to settle that energy into the Dantian. We're going to move the energy down, we're going to move it back up, and then we're going to bring it back down to the second chakra just below the belly button. So let us feel the energy coming in through our third eye, on our forehead, just between our eyebrows and our crown. And let us feel it filling our head, holding our spirit in place, holding the emotional body in place. All three bodies will stay connected as we fill our head. Feel it filling our neck, flowing down into our arms, hands, trunk. Now it's in the heart chakra, into the solar plexus, down to the dantian, and into the root, which is right at the tail of your spine, your tailbone. Now let's just allow it to sit at the tailbone. At this place, it might actually feel a little stimulating. That's normal. Let's bring that energy now back up to the divine to reconnect directly with Him, our spirit, up to our second chakra, to our solar plexus, to our heart, our will center, the throat, our third eye and crown, and we lift and we come back down. Feel how light, Feel how energized you have made a connection with the divine, and you're coming back down, and you can go back up, and we're coming back down, and we're going to settle in the second chakra just below the belly button. Settle all that energy there. This is the chakra that carries a lot of our memories from childhood, where we made a lot of decisions based on emotions because we didn't understand what was really going on. Situations that, if we looked at as an adult, would not have affected us because we would have an understanding. But as children, we had no language to understand it or experience. And we took it personally. We felt hurt. We felt unworthy. Our emotions were triggered in a sad way. Let us allow this beautiful energy to heal that sadness once and for all, to heal those misunderstood emotions in a way that releases them, that part that no longer serves us. We release to this beautiful energy that is still lifting all the way up and coming down, with the majority of it in the second chakra healing. As it moves up, it comes down, it's just refreshing and renewing and healing. But feel it swirling there as we sit quietly in appreciation for this opportunity to release these old emotions. Let us settle down this beautiful stream. It is very powerful, so this will take a moment. Calm it down in your second chakra and ask that the healing and the energy continue to move and complete its job, even though we are ending this meditation. We will close with the 23rd Psalm as we bring our presence back into our physical being fully. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. This process is really powerful. I'm sure several of you felt movement. I still can't quite sit still. The need for deep breaths, you might find yourself doing that throughout the day. You may even feel nauseous. This is an extremely powerful healing meditation that we are asking to have the healing continue throughout the day as it processes out. So if at times you feel a little like, ugh, get away from other people. Don't let your ugh get all over them. Just go to the bathroom and go, and shake it out. Because this is a lot that we've asked for and a lot that is being given. Have a wonderful day. I hope to see you tonight on Empowerment Through Intuition with Chris and I. I know we will be doing an explanation of the classes we are offering again. I don't know if we're going to be doing it before or after our show. I'll get the information out. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.